What's up, you guys? Hope you guys are having an amazing ass day. Today's gonna be another vlog, and we're just gonna have some fun, alright? That's my hand sanitizer.
I'm done.
So today we're gonna be going to the beach. We made a little pit stop to fuck you, Kanye.
Fuck up, Kanye.
Today we're gonna be going to the beach. We made a little pit stop to 7-Eleven. I doubt you can see these fuckers because it's fucking dark. We're gonna be going to Victoria Beach. This is gonna be a new beach for all of us, and we're gonna see what the fuck happens. I'll see y'all in a bit. What's up, you fucking bozos?
It's not that hard, bro.
We made it to the beach. Now we're gonna have some fucking fun. So today I'm planning on trying to shoot a little cinematic video of these guys.
You like started?
We're gonna see how it comes out. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's the motherfucking ocean. It's gonna be fun today. I already know it. This one got the chips too. I wonder where the fucking tower is. It must be like all the way over there. Or maybe over here.
Did you set a waypoint for your car?
Nah. We're right here, Mountain Resort Drive.
I got a pretty good sense of memory.
Sense of direction? Sense of memory? That shit looks fucking beautiful. Wow. Just like you, Alejandro. Oh, what? Hey, what would you do, Brian, to live in one of these houses over here?
Suck big. That was to say.
On Jesus?
Oh, Jesus.
How much do you think one of these costs, though? On
It's pocket change, bro. 3.2 million.
3.2 million? That's pocket change. God damn, look at this one, though. What the fuck?
My vacation house.
Yeah, this is like the blue ass water, bro.
Bro, that's some blue ass. I've never seen water this blue. Have you seen water this blue? That's crazy, bro. That's some
nice,
blue ass
bro.
water, bro. Oh fuck, bro. Hey Brian, I didn't know I have to have you on the leash. Oh fuck, you like it.
So we went the wrong way, so now I have to go all the way fucking around this shit to get to the tower. There's gonna be a fucking tower, I forgot to tell you guys. That's the whole other reason why we came over here. I'll see if we make it there. And we made it. Look at this beautiful ass ocean, man. You excited? Yeah. Let's go. All these clams, what the fuck? Oh my god. I'm about to go take a picture of this dude right now. What was it?
There's like some big ass spider.
Brian! Do a flip! Think they're gonna make it?
I don't think so.
Oh. He's out. He's out. Oh my god. Oh, they indeed now. If y'all don't see Danny and Brian in this video later, you know fucking why. We're finally done with the beach. My arm is fucking killing me because this gimbal's so fucking heavy. But oh shit. Can you see us? What's up, YouTube? But my arms hurt so much. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment down below whatever the hell you want. And peace.